Welcome dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful fascinator that is showing on your screen right now. So I have this pipe here, crinoline pipe, and I have this boning, right? And then the measurement of my crinoline pipe is 45 inches, okay? Now this pipe stretches, okay? So, but just watch closely and see what I'm going to do. I'll be passing this boning through my crinoline pipe. Okay, so as you pass it through the pipe, you make sure you stretch the crinoline pipe. Okay, you know, this is what we're going to use for our fascinator, right? So, and then as you're passing it through the pipe, it won't be just easy all through. You might experience some hitches in between. Just adjust. Just watch how I'm doing mine. You'll understand it perfectly, right? But also drag because you want your crinoline pipe to be flat inside. Okay, so just watch how I'm going to achieve this, right? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to apply some glue at the tip of, one of the tips of my crinoline pipe. Now I'm going to twist it. Just watch the movement of my fingers out. You of course you allow some air into it and then you twist. Okay. I made sure that the what's it called? The boning moves inward a bit such that it is just the crinoline pipe that I am twisting. Okay. I'm not twisting the crinoline pipe with the boning. I hope you can see what I'm doing clearly. Okay. So you can even decide to do this before passing your boning through the crinoline pipe. Okay. So now I'm going to just twist and make sure that end closes well. I'll also be repeating this twisting process at the end of my pipe when I am done stretching it, when I've gotten the length that I want. You can make yours longer than this. Depends on what you want to create. Depends on how you want your fascinator to look. So you can see now that I am pulling it, I am dragging it so that it give me that flat look. That's more like a ring kind of shape. Okay. So now when I get to the end, I will cut off the excess boning from my crinoline pipe. Okay. Now, when you cut off your excess boning, cut it off such that you would have some crinoline pipe sticking out. The boning should be inside the pipe to the extent that you have some excess of your crinoline pipe so that you can also apply the glue on it and seal it up. Okay. So now I'm applying the glue and then I'm going to seal it up. Just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach this my ring or my step or my boning, boning that is embellished or that is covered with my crinoline pipe, I'm going to attach it on this fascinator. If you do not know how I achieved or how I made this beautiful crinoline fascinator, please click on the link that is showing on your screen right now so you can watch how I achieved that. Okay, so now I'll be placing this boning on it, but I'll use my needle and my thread to attach it to make sure that it is firm. Okay, so keep watching and learning. This part is very important. In order to understand how I was able to place it firmly, you need to watch how I will do my stitching. It is not your regular stitching. So just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Also, if you have not joined my 2 weeks intensive fascinator making training, what are you waiting for? You are missing out. You better join now, okay? You can click on the link in the description box or you click on the link in the comment section. I am waiting to welcome you and to guide you through this millinery process. So if you have been watching closely, you will see how I have been doing the stitches and then how I have to go under the Alice band and over the fascinator. Okay, just watch closely. And doing all of this so that it will be firm, like very firm, so we can have a durable fascinator. Just watch how I'm achieving this. I'll keep doing this. I'll keep stitching on my fascinator until I achieve that perfect, neat, and durable look of my fascinator. Okay? So if you have watched this video up to this point, I'm sure you've gotten value. Please like this video, comment, share, ask your questions. I'll do my best to answer. For those that are watching for the first time, this is your first time stopping by in this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. And for my returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for coming back. Feel free to like, share, comment, ask your questions, like I said, and I'll do my best to answer. So now that my fascinator is very firm, I'm going to be covering up the part that has the thread. You want neat finishing of your fascinator. So I'll be covering it up with this leaf that is of the same color as my fascinator. Okay. I've applied some glue on the leaf. I'm going to place it. Of course, you allow some air into it, and then I'm going to place it on the part that has the thread. I did not use flower here again because I do not want the fascinator to look too complicated or busier than it is looking already. Okay, but feel free to use what you would prefer. You could even use beads to cover up that part. So what I'm going to do next is just to cut my thread off my fascinator, and then that part of my Alice band that has the thread showing, this inside part, I'm going to cover it up, and that will be all.